Alright guys, this is the finished product of the $400 94 RM125. Well, almost finished. Is any build really ever finished though? So, just do a quick little walk around here. New chain sprockets there. Sorry my boots are going to be loud in the video, but yeah, we got new main bearings in the motor, every gasket and seal replaced, new top end. Rod bearing, big end bearing was still in good shape, so I just let that go. No play or anything. And I got these cases polished up with some Prime MX polishing wheels from Cameron Niamela. Go check his stuff out. It's great product and great guy. Cylinder was replated, carburetor rebuilt. So yeah, new brake pads, chain and sprockets, plastics, seat cover, all the things. Polished up both ignition cover and clutch cover with those Prime MX wheels, and they are looking pretty prime. Anyway, he's pretty stoked on how this bike turned out. This project took so long. Way longer than it should have taken. But it turned out pretty good. I think it's a pretty good looking bike. Yeah, this back tire is bald though, so I'm gonna have to get a new one of those, but pretty cool looking. I'll probably be selling it soon and get a new project, but I'll start it up for you guys so you guys can hear it. First kick, how about that? And it was warmed up, so don't freak out or nothing. It's not cold. I just took it for a little spin earlier. So. But yeah, it does have that little bog, so I'm gonna have to get that fixed. I think it's a little lean. So I have some main jets, I just have to put them in, but I wanted to just go ahead and get this video recorded while I have the bike out. So yeah. I think she is pretty good, and it's great to see a bike go from absolute junk, blown up is how I bought this thing, to running and put new life in it. So you guys should get a project bike too. Should try it out because it's a lot of fun. Anyways, that's it for this video. Just want to do a quick update on this bike because I haven't posted in a long time. So that's it for that video, for this video, and hope y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.